Hello, happy St. Patrick's Day. This is Lady Flora, and I thought that we would talk about clover today. I never actually grew up eating clover, and I only just recently learned that it was edible. So I thought we would just talk about it a little bit. As with anything, always want to get 3 sources of information before you chow down, but this is clover. See, it's got the white little design in the center, and it's 3 leaves, of course. I don't see any 4-leaf clovers here, but I'm sure they do happen. And all parts of the clover plant are edible, but I don't think it tastes very good from what I've heard. I'm gonna give it a taste, taking a risk here. Very mild, slightly bland, vegetable-y kind of taste. Not tart, not sour, not what I expected. Very vegetable-y. I've heard the flowers are the best. So here's a flower. I've heard eating the smaller, younger leaves and flowers are the tastiest. Tastes the same as the leaves. Pretty mild, vegetable-y. But yeah, so in this little patch is Oxalis mixed in with clover. So here's the Oxalis, which we talked about a few days ago, which has a nice tart pickly flavor. And then here is clover. So clover and Oxalis. And then if you want to see the leaves side by side, clover has the white leaves. Oxalis does not have white in the middle. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this little discussion about clover. The whole bit of clover is edible, but I've heard that you can only eat about a cup at a time or else you get a stomach ache. So I guess it's not really ideal to eat, but hey, it's edible. Make sure to double check, triple check before you eat anything, and you know you want to be careful about pesticides and stuff like that too. So I make a vlog every day but Sunday, so I will see you tomorrow, but only if you subscribe, and in the meantime, go outside and have a sublime day.